Since you're watching this video, I bet you want to meditate but don't have time. Maybe you had tried to meditate but have some trouble. Maybe you had a wonderful experience meditating on the mountain but just cannot find the same feeling in your office or noisy and crowded space. Hello health motivators, I'm Lilia. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the technique of 1 moment meditation. Then you can meditate whenever you need to. When you're feeling stressed or feeling angry or having trouble sleeping or feeling anxious finding a new job, you need to meditate yourself and start focusing yourself again. Although this video is about meditation in a moment, this might help you spend the rest of your life happily. If you're ready, we're going to do the basic minute now. You might need to shut the door or stay in a quiet room. You don't have to tie yourself in knots for this exercise. Just sit with your legs planted firmly on the floor. Try to sit up straight, but do not be rigid. It is as if your head were being lifted up away from the weight of the world. Think of it as cosmic transaction. Now put your hands in any position that's balanced, symmetrical, and still. During the minute, simply focus on your breathing, moment by moment. Of course, even in the space of a minute, you will get distracted. But it doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. As soon as you notice you're distracted, just take a deep breath and bring your mind back to your breathing again. I'll ring the bell so you'll know when to start and when to finish. Ready? Then close your eyes. Oh, one more thing. It is okay to smile, and here we go. As you open your eyes, notice how you feel right now. Maybe a little bit refreshed, a little bit more awake and open-minded. Not bad for a minute, right? The more you do, the better it gets. But please, do not ever do the basic minute for longer than a minute. Because the point of the basic minute is to show you that you can make a meaningful change in your state of mind quickly. If you do it for longer than a minute, you're cheating. You can use this meditation style anywhere, like on a train, or when you're standing in line, or when you're stuck in a boring meeting. When you practiced and started to feel that you can meditate in a moment, your whole day can be filled with meditation because it takes no time at all. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button in the description below, and please follow best meditation music and speech videos. Check it out. Thank you for watching and see you again, health motivators.